Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're a new subscriber, you're welcome to the family, and if you're an oldie, hey! You guys, today I don't really have anything to show you guys, but I want to show you guys what I'll be dealing with in a few minutes, okay? So yesterday it snowed all day. Like, and when I say snow, it's not just sprinkles. It snowed heavily. So think of it like when rain falls from morning till night. Because even now, like I can still see like spectacles of snow. It's still coming down small, but throughout yesterday it snowed. I actually would have shown you guys yesterday, but I was so overwhelmed I couldn't just deal. So today I have to go and scrape the snow, shovel the snow out of the walkway, and maybe if if the front doesn't deal with me too much, I might do the one at the back. I'm just thankful that I have everything inside the house, so I don't have to go outside, at least for the next few days, and hopefully maybe the snow would have melted a little bit by then. But yeah, I'm going to shovel the snow. And yeah, today is also wash day, so that's why my hair is like this. And I'm trying this amla oil. You guys saw my wash day video. Nothing new, just this amla oil. So you have to apply it on your hair, leave it for 1 hour before you wash your hair. So that's just the new thing I'm doing on my hair. So yeah, meanwhile, the last time it snowed, I forgot to shovel the snow. So that snow turned into ice and it stuck to the walkway. So now that there's fresh snow, I'm just going to take that one out so that at least anybody walking past will just have to deal with the previous snow and not this fresh one. I'll show you guys what I have to deal with, okay? So let me show you guys. Guys, let me show you. So yeah, this is the one that is greeting me. It's right at my doorstep, okay? And then all the way outside. Yeah, so I'll start from the front and then the whole walkway. Let me show you guys the back as well. All right, so this is the back. See my shovel, guys. See my shovel. Let me even start by taking the shovel first inside. Can you see the dirt? This is it. This is what I have to come and deal with at the back. See the garage door. Let me see if I can even zoom in so that you guys can see. See the garage door. I'm trying to zoom. Oh, I can't zoom in. Okay. See what I have to come and deal with later. Are you seeing the garage door? So I have to come and scrape. Start from here and scrape all to the back. I can already hear my neighbors scraping. Anyway, yeah, this is what I gotta deal with, okay? I'm just thankful that I actually have a garage, so I don't have to deal with scraping my car. But yeah, this is it. Let me hit this one down. Okay, so let's start with the front first. So guys, I just checked the weather now. The weather is minus 17 degrees and it's going to get bad tomorrow. It's going to be minus 25 tomorrow. Like I said, I'm just happy that I have all my groceries. Like I saw vision, I went grocery shopping on Saturday. So yeah, I don't have to deal with going outside, at least for the next few days. So I just got my hair bonnet so that the oil on my hair doesn't touch my jacket. I'm going to wear that. Just tuck my hair inside. Anyhow, first I'll wear my jacket. I have my boots here and my gloves. Yeah, and my shovel is already here. Okay, boots on, shovel in hand. Let go. I don't even think I can do the back. After what my eye just saw, see my hands. My hands are red, like it's even paining myself. My nose is runny. My lips are numb, like I've lost control of my lip. God, that was a lot. I don't think I can do the back today. The back will just have to melt on its own, because really, the back is just for me and I'm not going anywhere, guys. So, anyway, today is a Monday and I didn't work today, so and my Christmas decor has been up for since December. Don't judge me, okay? So I guess I'm just going to take it down now. Jesus. Whew. So guys, after my near-death experience, yeah. So let me just take down this Christmas decor. All right. So this box is for the garland. I'm going to put the, what's it called, the ornaments inside this Amazon box and just seal it until December next year. Okay guys, so I am done. The ornaments are in this Amazon box. So I've also taped it, so it's nice and secure. So I already know that I would have my decor for December. For Christmas this year, I don't have to buy any other thing. And then the garland, I've put it back in the box as well. And then the extension wire I got from the Laraba is also in here, so I don't have to look for it Christmas time. But yeah, that's it. Now I have to vacuum the staircase. And I don't know, I'm still contemplating if I want to shovel the backyard. Honestly, I'm traumatized from what I just went through from doing the front. If I can, you will see me doing it in this video. But if I can't, remember to subscribe, like, and comment, okay? Yeah, so be good to yourself, love yourself, and love others. Bye.